Infuser ses propres spiritueux est simple.
Infusing your own spirits is simple, cool, and allows you to create endlessly. It also reduces costs. First of all, it's important to note that maceration is often called infusion, as this term is more elegant. However, infusion involves heating the preparation rather than macerating it. We will use the term infusion throughout this tutorial. Here are some secrets to guide you in this process that will impress more than one. The idea and the realization are simple. Take a clear alcohol for the base, choose a flavor for the aroma, and infuse them. For this, take a jar or a glass bottle that closes tightly. Place the washed fruit, if necessary peeled and cut. Then pour the alcohol into the container. Close it, shake it, and leave it to infuse for about 5 days. Shake it and taste it every day until you have obtained the desired taste. Then remove the ingredients from the container before transferring the spirit to a new clean bottle. Vodka is the easiest spirit to start with, but you can also use gin, sake, vodka, and white rum. For whiskey and brown spirits, the balance is harder to find. The list of aromas is almost endless and goes through fresh fruits, dried fruits, spices, herbs, nuts, etc. Aromas can also be combined. Start simple and then make your recipes more complex as you progress. There is no magic recipe for knowing how much aromas to put in your brew, but your common sense will guide you. Keep in mind that too little aroma will not have any influence on the taste of alcohol, and that too much aromas can spoil your infusion, which must be subtle. As for brewing time, here are some guidelines. Peppers, a few hours only, and it should be tasting every 30 minutes. Citrus fruits, herbs, pepper, vanilla, about 5 days. Red fruits, exotic fruits, about 1 week. Ginger and lemongrass, about 2 weeks.